Hello everyone, keep on proceeding. Now here with the help of these colors you have to create a beautiful rainbow around. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to just get the crisscross patterns made in this manner, and then you have to create a beautiful lovely flower, and then don't forget to put the leaves part around and then make the tiny little flowers as well. These are gonna look damn pretty and cool. Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we gonna do out of this. You have to just create it in this manner. Make the butterflies on the top. These are gonna look damn pretty, and further here you have to make the pot showering water on these beautiful flowers. Put a heart as well. Keep on proceeding. Let's proceed towards our next item and let's see what lovely thing are we gonna create here. Let's have a look. So here you have to just make the face part in this manner, make the intricate details. You have to make the pretty eyes and then this one in this way. And then this is gonna look so adorable and cute. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to make the bunny rabbit. Here with the help of these numbers you have to create something like this. Make the bunny sit in this position. Further you need to put the carrot in its hand. Isn't it cool? This is gonna look so pretty and adorable. Thank you guys for watching.